Good morning, students. As we have started chapter number 2, 4-digit numbers, and we have discussed exercise 2A. Now come to exercise 2B. Write the number names. Number names, you have to write down the numbers in words or you have to write down the spellings. The first number is 1326. So how to write the number name? 1326. Line is given and you have to write down the number name in this space. Now come to third one, 4729. So how you will write? 4700 and 29. This is 4. Now come to this part, 8054. 8054. It is 8054. Now the next part is, come to this, 4700. So how we will write it? 4000 and 700. 4700. Now come to this part, 1001. It is 1001. Like this you have to write down all the number names. Now the next part is write in figures. The first one is 3854. So how we will write it? 3854. Now 5063. 5063. 7300. 7300. 3906. 3906. Like this we can write down the number names in figures. Now move to page number 14. Again write the number names are given. So blank is given and you have to fill these number names in the space given here. Okay, and this is homework for you. Now move to next part. Again figures are given. You have to write in figures. Number names are written over here. 4007. 4007. 5978. 5978. Like this we will write in figures. Write the numbers that follow. You have to write down the countings, that which number come after the given number. In the first number 1005 we have written 1006, 1007. What will be the next number? 1008, then 1009, 1010, then 1011, 1012, 1013 and 1014. Like this we complete the boxes. Now it is given here 2325. After 2325 what will come? 2326. 2326, then 2327. Like this we will fill all the boxes. 4893, 4894, 4895, 4896, 4897, 4898, 4899. What comes after it? 4900. Like this we will solve all the questions. Count backwards and fill in the numbers. We have to fill the numbers by backward counting. In the first example it is given 1020, 1019, 1018, like this. 1017, 1016, we will fill all the blanks. Now this part, 6890. What in backward counting, what will be the number? 6889, 6889, and 6888, 6887. Like this we will fill all the blanks. Now come to continue the pattern. It is given that 4000, then 4002, 4004. So every time plus 2 is there. So what will be the next number? 4006, because at each step plus 2 is there. Then after this 4008, because plus 2 is there. Then 4010, 4012. At each step plus 2 is there. Now come to next part. 5015, 5020, 5025. At each step plus 5 is there. So what will be the next number? 5030. Then again plus 5, 5035. Like this plus 5 we'll do, and we write the pattern. Here it is given 1100, 1200, 1300. Every time plus 100 is there. So next time it is 1400, then 1500, 1600. Like this we will do the pattern. And rest question you have to do yourself. Now fill in by counting forward. Now you have to write down the counting, that what comes after the number. 3015, 3016, 3017, 3018, 3019, 3020, 3021, 3022, 3023 and 3024. Like this you have to write down the countings and fill the boxes. Counting backward and filling. Here you have to write down the backward counting. So this is homework for you. Now again continue the pattern is there. 3020, 3030. Here plus 10 is there at each step. So what will be the next number? 3040 plus 10, 3050. Got at each step plus 10 is there. Now 3060, 3070. Like this we'll fill all the boxes. Now next 2175, 2170. at in this question, at each step minus 5 is there. So at each step we subtract 5 and we will get the answer 2160, 2155, 2150, 2145, 2140, 2135. At this step plus 50 is there and we will write the numbers. Here minus 10 is there at each step. In this plus 3 is there at each step. Okay, and here plus 11, then again plus 11, again plus 11. At each step plus 11 is there. Like this we will fill all the boxes. Now move to next question. Write the predecessor, the number before. Predecessor means we have to write the number exactly before the given number, or we subtract 1 from each number. It is given 2740. Which number will come exactly before 2740? 2739. So 2739. See, 3559. So the number before 3559 is 3558. Now come to 8100, 8100. So what is the number? 8099. 9000, 8999. Now the next part is successor, the number after. We have to write the number exactly after that particular number, or plus 1 in each number. See, 1700. So 1701. 7321. 7322. Like this we have to do all the parts. Write the numbers before and after. We have to write the numbers exactly before and exactly after the given number. Look here, it is given 7080. So 7079, 7081. It is 9327. So 9326, and here 9328. Now write the number between 3897, 3899. Which number will come in between? 3898. Now here 4030, 4032. Which number in between? 4031. Like this we will do all the questions, and next exercise we will start later. Thank you.